Yo, Roy, buenos saludos, perra. A toda la raza de Facebook, eh.
Oh, yeah. No, MySpace, man.
Dale, Sira. Yo, slut. Send shout outs to Facebook. Fuck the likes. Just be like, shout outs to our Facebook. Shout outs to tus mamadas. Yo, K-Man. Manda saludos, perra. This is a normal chilling time with the niggas and shit. It's kind of gay. You're right. You're right. When you plan on getting your new tattoo? And you, yeah? When you getting your next tat? And you came in when you getting your first tattoo? That nigga, he created tattoos? That nigga cut his hair and used ashes to dig it in your skin. Ya arriba México! What you playing, Roy? Resident Evil? Yeah, we got no life for real. Look, one playing Resident Evil, the other one watching. What's the name of that song? And the other one is almost falling asleep.
Have you seen your boyfriend's picture on Facebook? Nope.
Ecstasy?
You got a bag of weed? I don't believe he'll get banned. I don't believe he don't get banned. I better just take a picture of me and all of my AKs and...
Calmado tú, cartel del Golfo.
Sinaloa, Sinaloa,
You believe this nigga's cartel del Golfo? This to all you carteles. No. Yo, if you want to fuck with his life, just cut a piece of his hair off.
You shouldn't say that in camera, because if he tries to, he'll be responsible for their death.
Oh yeah, and by the way, I don't be responsible for nobody's actions, alright? So if you wanna kill this nigga, go right ahead.
Maybe local homies, I'm gonna kill him.
I'm petting my son. The fuck? Like I'm gonna finger this fool right now. Alright, yo, say bye. That nigga's whack.
You whack for recording,
He said, fuck you, Facebook.
Yeah, fuck
He said he's going back to MySpace.
yeah. We're going back to time.
Oh yeah.
We're going back to time.
For all you sexy girls out there, add Roy Ruiz at Pornhub.com.
Yeah,
Fuck this shit.